Okay, so let's say you want to go back and change your permissions, portfolio name, or thumbnail. From your portfolio, click the Portfolio Actions menu at the top right. Now click the Settings option. Here you're given the opportunity to edit your portfolio name and your portfolio thumbnail or profile picture. Click the Choose a Thumbnail button on the left, then select Upload File to access your computer. Below those options, you can modify your portfolio's permissions. Clicking Edit beside Private to Me will allow you the option of choosing to make the portfolio viewable by all BHCC users, or you can make it public, making it available to all non-Digication users. This option is useful if you would like your portfolio to be seen by other people, like potential employers. Below this option, we have the ability to get very specific about who can see our ePortfolio. By clicking the Edit button beside Also Share with Specific People, Groups, or Courses, we get to type in specific user names or emails. So even if we selected Private to Me above, we can still share our portfolio with other users. We can even type in the name of a course we're currently enrolled in. To find out how to enroll in courses in Digication, watch our Create an ePortfolio tutorial. Okay, now that we have given users permission to view our portfolio, we notice we have the ability to give these users a unique role. If you want your instructor to see your work, leaving faculty set to viewer is sufficient. If you want to remove a particular user, like the students of a course, just click the small X to the right of the option. Now if you want other people to not just view your ePortfolio, but also edit and access settings, click the blue Viewer or Admin drop-down beside any of those options. The Viewer option allows users to view your ePortfolio. The Editor option allows other users the ability to edit but not publish your ePortfolio. Selecting Publisher grants editing and publishing capabilities, and finally, Admin gives other users the ability to edit, publish, and modify all settings. Once you've selected your users and their access, click the blue Done button at the top right of your selections to close that drop-down. Okay, so below this we can choose to require a password for someone to access your ePortfolio. Below that, we have the option to display the portfolio in the directory. Of course, only those with the appropriate permission level to your portfolio will be able to see this ePortfolio in the directory. We can also choose specific categories within the directory to display your portfolio by toggling the directory category switch, and then choosing which department it should display it. Finally, click Save Settings at the bottom of the page.